Hello there! Today I will be showing you how I sewed this beautiful pinafore dress. This dress was designed and drafted by myself. If you like the look of it, then head over to my Instagram or website to see if my commissions are currently open. For this dress, I used a lovely reversible double cotton gauze. Before I can start on the dress, I need to prep the fabric. This means serging the edges to reduce fraying. As all cotton fabric should be pre-washed before sewing. This will help reduce shrinkage after the dress is made and the many washes during its lifespan. Now that my fabric is washed and pressed, I can get to cutting out all the pattern pieces. Once all my pieces are cut, it is now time to get to sewing. I got a lot of inspiration for these dress styles from the current cottagecore aesthetic that seems very popular. I personally love to be out in the country and frolicking in gardens, so this seemed like the perfect summer dress to wear around and enjoy the warm summer days. I knew when I was designing this dress, I wanted it to be made out of something soft and breathable. So when I found this double cotton gauze, I fell in love. It has such a lovely bias stretch that it really makes it such a comfortable piece. I really do enjoy wearing it out, or even when I'm lounging around at home. And there you have it, the finished dress. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you would like to see next. Thank you for watching. See you next time.